Hello and welcome to CASAVICI. I am so excited to announce that I am launching my own brand of stationery and planning supplies called CASAVICI, and this has been in the works for quite some time, but I am so excited because we are starting with our task card reboot launch. So you can go to CASAVICI.com right now and view our office and to do task cards. We also have our task tabs and our task stickers, so you can create your own task card system for your agenda. And we also have 2 other stationery items available on the website today, so definitely check it out. Things may sell out, there's limited quantity, but we have another launch coming up very soon and we will be restocking hopefully in the next couple weeks. So go ahead and go to CASAVICI.com if you want to check out the first collection, and you can also follow us on all of our social media at CASAVICI everywhere. I am so excited and I hope you guys love our first launch. Find us on Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, and YouTube.